Good afternoon. Out of the car camp again, guys, and yeah, it's pretty local-ish. You know, there is a bit of driving, but it's pretty local-ish. And yeah, I'm going to a fort. I'm going to climb up. It's only a bit of a hill, but it looks like a hill. And yeah, it's an old fort. So, and I got two options of park up tonight. Hey guys. And we're here. It's the old Oswestry Hill Fort, and it's up there. Excuse the hat because it is freezing. Let's go and have a look. This is where it is. You want to pause that and read it at your own leisure? And they've got pretty big horns. I'm hoping they're friendly. You're alright. Yeah, just thought I'd get out today and enjoy a bit of nature. I haven't been in nature for a while. Been at Llandudno and a few other towns, coastal towns and North Wales towns. So, get back in the country. Yeah, there's plenty of wildlife here. Bit of a climb up here. But I'm just glad it's a hill, not a mountain. Getting away from all that exhaust fumes smell and yeah, factory smells. And now there's nothing. Amazing. Puffing and panting, oh. I hope that stays over there. Let's see if it's a squeaky gate so I can send it a wandering way. Nothing. Sorry, buddy. No 3 words on that one. What I've just climbed up was the western entrance, which is I've just climbed up here, and I'm going to come along this. So that's pretty cool. Which you'd have had the big gate entrance sort of here. And all them huts and houses and stuff were all there. Yeah, I don't know if I'll walk all the way around it because it's just one big giant circle. And if this is to go by, yeah, it's just bushes. The place is down the road called Chirk, and I thought, oh, well, I'm on my own. No kids, I'll call it McDonald's. Shut for refurbishment. Oh, you've never heard so many swear words in one car. Yeah, the only chance I get and it's shut. I'll have to Google if there's one round here. But all this would have been the fort. Yeah, it is pretty cool, especially when you see the dotted pictures up and down of what the area that you're in used to look like. But all this bracken here, now it's all dying off and you got that beautiful bronze colour. Yeah, Mother Nature, powerful. So you can see that, but made myself a wind block for it. I think I found what the lag was on my last video, and I was using this mic without this, and in the wind it is horrendous. But I have got another lavalier mic with like what they call a dead cat on it, as the windshield. And I was swapping in between the two mics, and yeah, I think that's what lagged my video. So I've made, this is the better mic, so I've made a proper wind muff. The elastic's just on there just to give it a bit more sturdy, you know, so it doesn't just pop off. But yeah, I'm hoping this one sorts it out. There's nothing worse than you work hard and do your video and then it goes uploaded and yeah, gutting. So what we all think of these dark nights now at 4 o'clock. Yeah. This is a stunning area, give it that. Look at these, how tall they are. I wouldn't mind, but I'm 6'4", 5'7" and a half. Don't forget the half. 5'7" and a half. Can it be the one? Can it be squeaky? No! There is another one there. What is wrong with it? They must have come and oiled them. Please keep dogs on leads, and there's 3 dogs that I've seen that are off leads. Twice on a separate occasion in this area I've nearly stepped in dog crap. So yeah, come on guys. When you drive into it, it just looks like a not even like a big hill, it's just like a molehill. But when you're up here, but yeah, after being cooped up in the house for a few days, oh, it's nice to get out. It is cold, I'm not going to lie, it's, you know, it's really freezing. And it's give the temperatures in this area, it was 3, but it feels like wind chill of 0 to -1. So, yeah. Yeah, I'll show you when I get back to the car. Bought a new duvet, teddy bear duvet. So, yeah, I'm hoping I'm going to be toast tonight. So, yeah, hopefully I can keep on camping in the car all through winter. That's the plan. As long as weather's permitting, you know, I don't get snowed in or... Yeah, as long as there's no snow, I'll be out. Yeah, what do we all think of Wales in the World Cup? I know everyone's saying they could have done better. They probably could have. But I've never been so proud to hear our national anthem. Oh, yeah. First one was, oh, I was crying like a baby. Yeah, bloody awesome. Just a shame we got knocked out. Never mind. First time in what, 60 odd years, so we're getting there. There's plenty of sheep crap up here. Reminds me of camping on the mountain when I had to clear it all before I could pitch my tent. Yeah, I didn't like the look of them rams though, with the bloody big horns. And I gotta go past them now because it's just one way up, one way down. They did move though, so yeah, perhaps that won't be too bad. Alright. Yeah, that couple then, you know, the bloke was like, and the woman was like, but I am getting past that stage now where, you know, I'm just doing my thing, they're doing their thing. So, yeah, I try not to put people, unless they they want to go on camera. You know, I don't put them on camera because it's not fair. Plus, I don't know if I could get done. So, right, we're going downhill. Oh, this is steep as hell. It's funny, it doesn't look much on camera. But one shit themselves, one. And we're back at the car. And there she is. Yeah, I've stopped off in a little place called Elsmere Lake. And yeah, it's huge. It's not as deep as what I remember by here, I'll show you now. You can make the bottom out. Plenty of birds here. Yeah, these ones follow you because they think they're having food all the time off people. It's 3:10 and the light's still going now. It's ridiculous, it's bloody winter weather. Why they got to interfere with the clock still, I don't know. It was meant for World War II. They must see this colour hat and think I'm one of them. Nah, they're only interested in that food. Let's go and have a look at this park up, see if it's any good. And yeah, and I haven't had one yet, and you all know me. It's well overdue coffee time. Oh. Just checking the old microphones on, and you all know me. It's coffee time. Just check this car's locked. There's another lake down here, hidden away. So yeah. Oh, that's the beauty of having your home with you. You can just park up, get a coffee when you want. You haven't got to look for a cafe or a truck stop or a cabin on the side of the road. You just pull over and make one. Simple as that. Same if I need a toilet, just pull over. I've got all the facilities there to attend my every need. What my cup's on, I thought, Jesus, the size of those mushrooms. And then I realised that the anchor points for the canal boats. There's a couple, one there and one a bit further up. It's just peace and quiet, isn't it? Absolutely gorgeous here. Haven't been here for a while. God, it's a few years. Well before the lockdowns. There's a couple of car parks at the top there by the main lake, Elsmere Lake, but yeah, there's signs everywhere in them saying no overnight camping, no overnight parking, and no sleeping in your vehicle. Yeah, I've got a feel for these van lifers, the full-timers. I'm only doing this part-time. You know, I've got sticks and bricks to go back to. But I just love being out that much that I converted my car into a camper. And yeah, you've really got to know your areas of where you can go. These signs. And to be honest, it's not the van lifers that are causing rubbish. It's the ones that are just parked up there for the day. And they can't be asked taking their own crap home. Oh, wow. Oh my God. Found it. near the ducks. Oh, I'll show you this now, guys. Look at this. What can you say when you're finding things out like this? Oh, God, look at this. So there is there and there canal boats, you know, like they're all around the walkway. Beautiful, bloody beautiful. Funny the things that go through your head. I'm thinking, oh, if I get a boat, but then I'm thinking Friday the 13th, the end when Freddy comes up and grabs the boy and takes him down. Yep, let's keep walking. I don't know if you've ever noticed on your walks, but you know canals are always built on a slant. See, my camera is fixed to the other side of that bank and the water is moving to the left, from right to left. And yeah, don't quote me because I've read it somewhere. It's because there's an inlet, a river, which allows the water into the canal, which forms the canal, and then there's an entry where the water leaves the canal back into the river or sea, whatever, however far it goes. And that's why it's constantly moving. Yeah. And this is going to be home for the night. Right on a busy road. Yeah, it's not all about scenic views and stunning places. Sometimes you just got to go with the flow. Yeah, guys, I'm going to show you this bedding. This is the single duvet teddy bear duvet. So what I've got now is, this is thick as hell. It's a 13.5 D or G. It's a winter duvet. Then I've got my teddy bear blanket. Then I'll be lying on this teddy bear blanket, which has my foil mat. So yeah, let's push that back down, tidy it all up. So bring on the winter. No, don't please. And for tea tonight, I can get my finger, there's boiling hot water in that, so I can't hold it for long. The sorbet, whatever it is, and it's the teriyaki. Yeah, like I say, I was going to stop at McDonald's, but the bloody thing was shit for refurbishment. But I've always got noodles and pastas in my box there, just as backup. I always bring them. You never know when you're going to need anything, or if you're out in the middle of nowhere and there's no shops, always got food with me. A few other things I got as well are these tubs that it's just got all my clothes in, my thermals, I got hats, that's my snood. So all my clothes and everything are in that one, and in this one it's just easy grab to hand things, you know, like extra lights, deodorant, towels, toilet roll, bags for my rubbish. It's quite, well, it's not funny, but my I have got a what they call a potty mouth, I swear like hell, and the amount of footage that I have to bin, or because it's just too much beep 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 beep. And I'll see this epic place, you know, I'll be in this epic place and I'll say everything right about it, and then comes to the last sentence, it'll just come out F in this, F, F, F. And I'm like, oh, what have you done? So yeah, the amount of footage I delete is ridiculous. So I do want to keep the channel clean, or as clean as I can. You know, I know the odd little word does slip out now and again, but yeah, I want to try and keep it as clean as I can. Right, I'm going to have another coffee now, and then I'm going to watch a bit of telly. I got 5G. So, catch you in a bit. Oh, good morning, guys. It's pitch black, and it's about 7:15 in the morning. This was a little busy T-junction here. I had to put earplugs in last night. Instead of quietening down round about 9:30. Yeah. But yeah, I didn't hear much after that. Traffic, that is. I got in my bed about 10:30 because yeah, it was cold. It was. I checked my app. If I remember, I'll put the picture up. It was like temperature was 3, but the feel like was -1, and yeah, it was pretty chilly sitting there in my seat. But seriously, guys, this teddy bear duvet, oh my god, sorry about the traffic noise, but once I got inside that, or under it I should say, oh my god, it was a game changer. Yep, I was probably about 40 degrees in there. Yeah, I kind of put my phone on charge about 20 to 11. And yeah, again, I don't remember much after that, so I'd say about 10 to 11 I was probably flat out until 7 o'clock this morning. So yeah, slept straight through again. And I got my first coffee. Oh yeah. Yeah, I got my light on my phone. It's pretty blinding actually. So yeah, that's it. That's how dark it is at nearly, well, it's just gone 7:30. So yeah, I'll get inside here a bit steadier for the journey home. Pack all my kettle and everything away. I'm gonna have this coffee anyway, and I'll get back to you. Yeah, guys. You can still see it's just starting to come light. It's not much better than it was before. I want to thank you all for coming along on this video and clicking it and watching. It means a hell of a lot. And yeah, should you want to support my channel, just press that subscribe button. That's all I'm asking for. So until the next one, you know, take care, be safe, and a tough destination, and I'm saying bye. Take care, guys. Bye.